Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play every operator in Rainbow Six Siege. First, focus on understanding each operator's unique gadget and ability. This is crucial for effective team play and achieving objectives. Next, familiarize yourself with their primary and secondary weapon loadouts, including attachments. Finally, practice using operators in various game modes to grasp their strengths and weaknesses. This foundational knowledge will significantly improve your gameplay. When playing as an attacker, strategic gadget use is key. Hard breachers, such as Thermite or Hibana, are essential for opening reinforced walls and creating new entry points. Intel operators like Lion or Dakibai provide crucial information on enemy positions, allowing for coordinated pushes. Entry fraggers, like Ashe or Zofia, should lead the charge, clearing rooms and securing the objective. Remember to communicate constantly with your team. On defense, setting up your site is paramount. Reinforce crucial walls and deploy defensive gadgets like barbed wire or deployable shields to slow down attackers. Anchors, such as Rook or Doc, should hold the objective, providing support and healing. Roamers, like Vigil or Kavera, can flank attackers and waste valuable time, disrupting their pushes. Always be aware of your surroundings and listen for enemy footsteps. To truly excel, learn counterplay for popular operator combinations, both attacking and defending. Understanding how to negate enemy gadgets or abilities gives you a significant advantage. Master map knowledge, including common choke points and rotation routes, to anticipate enemy movements. Practice your aim and crosshair placement consistently to win more gunfights. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.